Good day viewers, today we will discuss the top 5 inspiring lyrics by the dancehall artist Chroniclaw. Leave a comment of a lyric that inspired you by Chroniclaw. Leave a like for this video. Okay, let's begin.
Oh Lord, me no left it. My them of pencilin'.
1. Money affy mek, poverty affy done / me now say God bless me never stop run. Song, Bless Me. Context. This line encapsulates the relentless drive for economic upliftment that is a fundamental aspect of life in many Jamaican communities. Poverty affy done, poverty must end, is a declaration of intent, a rejection of stagnant circumstances. The affirmation, me now say God bless me never stop run, speaks to a deep-rooted faith combined with an unwavering work ethic. It inspires by reminding listeners that divine favor works in conjunction with persistent effort, a common belief system in dancehall culture where self-made success is highly valued. This lyric resonates with anyone striving to break free from financial hardship and build a better life for themselves and their families. 2. Dem na CD struggle, dem na CD pain / dem just CD glory, dem na CD rain. Financial song, Government. Context. While government is largely a social commentary on the perceived neglect of the people by authority, this specific couplet offers a powerful and universally relatable message about the often unseen journey behind success. It speaks to the envy and superficial judgment that often accompany achievement, where observers only see the end result, glory, without acknowledging the arduous path, the setbacks, and the hard work, struggle, pain, rain. This lyric inspires resilience, encouraging individuals to remain focused on their path, knowing that their struggles are valid even if others fail to recognize them. It's a testament to enduring hardship for a greater good.
Me always tell them, son, where you come from, make your body know.
3. Nuff time me feel like fi give up but me remember when me come from / nuff youth a look up to me affy hold on. Song, Real Badness, often referred to by this line as it's a prominent theme. Context. This lyric provides a raw and honest glimpse into the internal battles faced by individuals on their come-up. The admission of feeling like giving up is deeply human and relatable. What makes it inspiring is the immediate pivot to a sense of responsibility and purpose, remembering one's humble beginnings and the younger generation who view them as a role model. This line champions perseverance not just for personal gain, but for the sake of inspiring others and breaking cycles. It highlights the importance of community and the weight of being a positive influence, pushing one to hold on despite difficulties. 4. Every man a king in a him own kingdom / just build your own empire, mek dem watch you run. Song, Mind Games, though the theme is prevalent across several tracks. Context. This is a powerful declaration of self-empowerment and individuality. In a genre often competitive and focused on dominance, this lyric promotes self-lawboss belief and the pursuit of personal greatness. Every man a king in a him own kingdom encourages listeners to recognize their inherent worth and potential to create their own success, rather than solely seeking external validation or trying to fit into others' molds. The phrase, just build your own empire, mek dem watch you run, is a direct call to action, promoting independent ambition and letting one's achievements speak for themselves. It's about focusing on self-improvement and success, letting the results silence doubters.
Give thanks, my father, used to be a foot now Balenciagas.
5. Dem put you down but you affy rise above / stay true to yourself, nothing na sweet like love. Song, One Law, also a general theme in his motivational tracks. Context. This lyric addresses adversity directly but offers a powerful counter-narrative of triumph and authenticity. The first part, Dem put you down but you affy rise above, is a classic underdog anthem, urging resilience in the face of criticism or attempts to undermine one's progress. The second part, Stay true to yourself, nothing na sweet like love, adds a crucial layer of personal integrity and the importance of genuine human connection. In a world often driven by superficiality and material gain, this line serves as a reminder that true fulfillment comes from remaining authentic to one's values and cherishing meaningful relationships, rather than just material success. It's an inspiring call to maintain integrity and seek genuine happiness.
Protect me while me, I protect myself. Oh Lord, me no left it.
Chroniclaw's lyrical contributions offer more than just entertainment, they provide a narrative of survival, ambition, and the enduring spirit of the Jamaican people. His ability to articulate these experiences with raw honesty and relatable language has solidified his place as not just a popular artist, but a source of inspiration within the dancehall landscape.